Can ChatGPT effectively replace digital marketing functions? In recent years, language models like ChatGPT have transformed artificial intelligence, particularly in digital marketing. Although ChatGPT can automate tasks like responding to inquiries and generating content, it falls short of replacing human marketing teams due to its limitations in creativity, empathy, strategic thinking, and adherence to ethical and legal considerations. While ChatGPT excels at individual tasks, it lacks the ability to comprehend the broader context of marketing campaigns or adapt to rapidly evolving trends and technologies. Critical aspects such as understanding human emotions, maintaining brand consistency, and exercising human intuition in decision-making remain beyond its capabilities. In essence, ChatGPT complements human marketers by automating certain tasks and providing valuable data and insights. However, the unique blend of technical, creative, emotional, and strategic skills essential in digital marketing suggests that human involvement is indispensable for the foreseeable future. Head over to our website at www.staffordglobal.org for the full article about this video. Wish to ignite your talent as a marketer? Propel your career forward with an online MBA in marketing from Edinburgh Napier University. Visit our website to learn more.